Okay, so I'm sitting here. Um, Thought I'd do a little quick video. It might be a little dark, so I'm sitting here watching the technical parts that they're putting together on the stage. They are doing the light settings and stuff right now, so that's why it's dark and it's going on and all. The band is getting ready to start setting up, and then we'll be doing sound check in a little while. So I'm excited, happy, and very thankful for what God has done. I tell you, if God said it, He shall bring it to pass. It may not be the way you thought it should have happened, but it's going to go the way God has arranged it because he knows what's best. So that means he has to move people around. Some people he has to delete and some people he has to add. But it's all going to work out for your good. Just trust him. Get back with you all later. Take care. Bye.